Wow, the ocean is right through there. This is Honeydew, California. We went over a 2,000-foot pass. Now we got to get down into that river valley and then drive along the ocean. Wow. That is the King Range. Look at that beautiful wild river. They don't call this the Lost Coast for no reason. Wow. It's like you think you're lost getting here. This is the Mattole River as it runs out of the King Range right into the Pacific Ocean. Guys, this is making me really nervous. I don't want to ruin my transmission up here.
Why do you keep skidding? It's a rock road. Why do you keep skidding?
Turn around.
It's not a cliff. It's just like...
Oh my gosh, have you ever seen a more beautiful place? Drifting sand. Wow, this is unreal. Oh my gosh, guys. I gotta pull out here. Really windy out here. These guys are finding some beautiful not shells, but pebbles. All different kinds of colors, olive, blue, white. Some of them have this kind of like these different colors through them. I know, I'm collecting a bunch. Notice that the water's warmer here because the water has kind of some silt in it from the rivers. The Mattole River goes into the ocean right over that direction, and some other rivers too, probably. and this, like the darker color in the water, the sunlight, I'm assuming warms it up.
Dad, it makes that sound.
Oh wow, look there.
This is probably obsidian.
It looks like it, the dark black. I didn't expect to see all these nice little things. Not quite sure what he's trying to do. He doesn't want to go back in the ocean. Oh. Westernmost point in California, right there. That sea stack right there is the tip of Cape Mendocino. It's the furthest west you can go in California, and one of the westernmost points in the lower 48. There's 3 points north of here in Oregon and Washington that are further west. Okay, it's on video now. Point out there, tell me what you see. What ocean is that?
Pacific.
Can't stand this road. Head hurts.
I don't like it either.
My ears are popping.
I like the view, but I don't like the quality of the road. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Look how awful the road is.
14 miles to Ferndale. 14 miles. We're gonna go up into the clouds, it looks like. You're always going to remember this drive for the rest of your life, Elijah.
Smooth road, let's go.
So when I was 13, my dad took me on this crazy road. Hey, look, I just got a signal.
It's raining. Oh, it's raining. Hey, Dad, the raindrops are here because we're in the
We're in the cloud.
clouds. That's why there's rain.